What if I told you that you can buy brand new high quality denim jeans for under $3? These are not secondhand, they are 100% brand new. Welcome to Shaxi Zhongshan, the hidden denim capital of China. I'm Kevin, your China sourcing agent. Today, I'm taking you inside the secret world of China's Stocklot markets to show you how boutique owners are making massive profits. Look at the scale of this place. Shaxi produces millions of garments every year, but when massive global brands cancel orders or factories overproduce, where do the clothes go? They end up right here as stocklots or overruns, because factories just want to clear their warehouses and get their cash back. They sell these perfect condition jeans at rock bottom prices. We are talking about literal pennies on the dollar. These jeans are $2 or $3. It depends on conditions. Let's check the quality. Look at the heavy-duty stitching, the premium copper zippers, and the beautiful acid wash. In a US retail store or Amazon, a pair like this easily sells for $30 to $50. Here, the wholesale price is around $3 to $5. Do the math. This is a massive profit margin for your business. But here is the catch. Sourcing stocklots isn't easy. You might face mixed Asian sizing, random styles, or occasional minor defects. That is exactly why you need a sourcing agent on the ground. My team and I come here. We filter out the bad ones, do a strict quality check, repackage them, and ship them globally to your door. Whether you need one box for a small boutique or a full 40-foot container for a wholesale business, we've got you covered. Want to see the latest catalog and the prices? Click the WhatsApp link in the description below and let's grow your business together. See you in the next video.